In the quiet village of Havenwood, mornings were filled with the chirping of birds and the rustle of leaves from the old oak trees. Among the fields lived a farmer named Ethan. He was hardworking and ambitious. This year, he decided to grow something unusual, a rare variety of tomatoes that promised a much higher profit than the usual crops. He prepared the land carefully. He tilled the soil, watered the plants daily, and built a small fence to keep animals away. His neighbors watched him with curiosity. "Ethan, are you sure about this?" asked Lucas, a fellow farmer. "This soil has never grown these tomatoes before. Maybe it is better to stick with what works." Ethan smiled confidently. "Sometimes, Lucas, you have to take risks to achieve something great. This will be my best harvest yet." Weeks went by, but the plants began to struggle. Leaves curled and wilted, pests attacked the few healthy stems. The soil could not give the support these exotic plants needed. By harvest season, most of the crop had failed. Ethan walked through the ruined fields. The sun beat down on him. The sweet scent of hope was replaced with the bitter smell of disappointment. The villagers shook their heads. "Poor Ethan, he aimed too high," whispered one neighbor. Ethan spent days sitting under the old oak tree. He stared at the empty land and felt like a complete failure. One afternoon, Mr. Harris, a respected elder and experienced farmer, came by. "Why the long face, Ethan?" he asked gently. "I thought I could grow something extraordinary, Mr. Harris. I worked so hard, and now it is all gone. I have failed." Mr. Harris smiled softly. "Ethan, you did not fail. You learned." Ethan looked puzzled. "Learned what?" "You learned that this soil cannot support these tomatoes. You learned the value of advice, especially from those who have tended these lands for years. And most importantly, you learned that mistakes are lessons, not failures. Every misstep brings knowledge, and knowledge brings success." Ethan looked at the fields with new eyes. That evening, he replanted with crops suited to the soil. He applied everything he had learned from his failed attempt. The next season, his harvest was abundant, the finest Havenwood had ever seen. The villagers celebrated his success. Ethan realized that ambition combined with wisdom gained from mistakes was far more valuable than blind courage. From that day on, he became an example in the village. Daring to try something new is important, but learning from mistakes is what truly leads to success.